If you can use plastic extrusions to replace aluminum extrusions, there's areas where I can save money. Unless there is a stress-related part, then aluminum works. But if it's just an appearance part, plastic works, and it's 25 to 30% cheaper than the aluminum extrusions in most cases. Hi, my name is Lowell Meyer. I'm the sales manager for Bioplastic Solutions. We are a custom profile extruder. Most of our business is door and window related. Whatever the requirements are in weather stripping, trim, accessories, different products like that. It is all plastic, some flexible, some rigid, and different types of each. It just depends upon the application. And if it's an outdoor application, sometimes we need softer material because of the cold weather, frost, or whatever the case may be. We only run lineal extrusions. In other words, footage doesn't matter. It can be as long as 20 feet, as short as 1 foot, as short as 1 inch. This particular part is 3 different materials. We have the capability of doing 2, 3, or single extrusions, whichever is required. This product as well, this happens to be 2 different materials, 1 flexible and 1 rigid. And this happens to go into a garage door. The material is unlimited. We can run any kind of material that can be extruded: PVC, ABS, polyethylene, polystyrene. This particular piece here happens to be an ABS part, and it's used in the medical assembly field. It's an anti-static ABS. There can be no static electricity running through this when they're assembling parts, and that's what this material does. Basically what it amounts to is a die. This is what our dies look like. This is a sample of the dies right here. And the process goes through a rotational screw. It turns, ranges from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the material just feeds through. We feed it down from the top, and it just feeds through. We cool it either with water or with air, either way. If you want some finish done to it, it can be finished. There can be another coating applied on top. That's another in-process application. It's called the top coat. There's several different kinds of top coats. It can be acrylic. These toolboxes have trays inside of them, and these trays are for drill bits and mills where they can divide them and separate them out however they want to do it size-wise. We don't make the toolboxes, we make the trays that go inside the toolboxes. We also do welded boots for windows. We have several customers that call us up and they need a boot that is welded so it doesn't leak, no moisture can get through it, and we supply them with this. It's a flexible PVC. And we have people that weld and trim the corners, and this is just considered a finished product. We had a customer that came to us and asked us to get a decorative finish on the bottom of their deck on their house. And the customer had an idea, and we just helped them fulfill their idea, and we came up with this. And it's a snap-together sealing system. It doesn't leak. It's ABS and PVC is basically what this is. This particular piece screws into the floor joist or the ceiling joist, and then the rest of it just snaps together and you got a finished product. These 2 pieces snap apart, and these 2 pieces slide off. And it all slides together. The one thing that every customer we have tells us is that they are so impressed with the fact that when we have a bad part, we're right there to take care of it immediately. If you currently use aluminum extrusions, please let me look at your part. I think there's a way we can possibly save you some money.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.